Okay, you guys, so these are going to be Christmas gifts, and these are going to be for men. They're going to be for, one is for my husband, and the other one's going to be for my brother-in-law. So I found these mugs on sale, you guys, at TJ Maxx for $5. And these are Ray Dunn mugs, and we all know that they're expensive. And my husband loves to cook, and so does my brother-in-law. And I thought, jackpot. It says, yes, chef. And then look how cool right there. You see the whisk? God, it's getting blurry. I'm sorry. Is it? Let me fix my camera. You see the whisk right there? How freaking cute is that? So if you turn it around, it has the whisk, it has the spatula, and it has the wooden spoon. And they're both the same. Oh no, Marshalls. It says Marshalls. How freaking cute is that? And I thought, I'm like, this would be such a great Christmas gift. And it is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase. Take out the tape that says double side. I love when it's a double side Ray Dunn collection. It's one of my favorites. And I thought, why not? I also get to keep the one that I give my husband. So it's a win-win. Because I love her mugs. So all I'm doing is taking out the sticker. I hate when the sticker stays on there forever. You can't get it out when you want to. You see right there? So I'm going to have to use glue gun. You can get it at your local Dollar Tree. You can get it anywhere. And it's just going to help take out the sticker. And it actually does a good job too of removing it. You just put a little bit of glue gun on a towel, or you can put it directly on the mug, and it's gonna like give you moisture so you can remove the sticker. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this so I don't have to take up all your time. Okay, so I took off the sticker. Like I said, I used glue gun. And we're just gonna fix this one up. So this one already has a bow, which I really like. And this one, I don't know, I kind of messed up. So I'm gonna see if I can just make it myself. Now I can change the bow out to red and make it more Christmassy. What do you guys think? Since this ribbon is super tiny, it's giving me a hard time. And what I mean tiny is they cut it short. If it wasn't for that, I would have done the bow really fast already because I'm really good at that stuff. But like I said, they cut it short because they probably wanted to make, they didn't want to waste any. I'm probably making 1 million of them, so they're like, we're not going to waste any ribbon. So what do you guys think? I think they're so cute. So let's go ahead and see what we come up with. Now, I kind of wanted to change the ribbon to red, but I don't think so. Let's go ahead and make this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use tissue paper. And I'm going to put the tissue right there. I'm going to go ahead and use another tissue. And I'm just going to cut it up. Now the tissue paper, you can grab it from your Dollar Tree. You get a ton of it. So just cut it up. Okay? So the first thing I want to add, these are going to be really simple, nothing like, oh my God, huge. I made these money card holders for Christmas. You guys know I make them. And I sell you the template if you want it. You can write on it. You can add, I'm going to show you really quick. The money is super easy to add. I'm going to put this one in here. Open it up. You add your money. And then you close it up. You can even add a gift card in here. Like I done it. Look how cute this is. Isn't this adorable? And it's just one piece of 12 by 12. That's all you need for this. And then it goes straight into your mug. Now for the mug here. Okay, so I don't know. I kind of feel like I need to change this to red just because it's Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and put my husband's. What do you guys think? I feel like, I don't know. Should I just go ahead and change it to red, or should I just leave it black? I don't know. It doesn't feel like Christmassy to me. I always go through this stuff, you guys. I mean, that one looks good with this one, but maybe if I change that one to red, what do you guys think? I mean, it wouldn't hurt to give it a try. Let me give it a try, see how it comes out. I do have red ribbon. I have a lot of red ribbon. But not that texture. I'm going to use the one I saw on my Amazon storefront. I don't know. Is it just me, or does it feel like I should just change them to red? Just because Christmas is red, but I mean, black looks nice too. And a lot of things. Or it could just be just me, you know. Oh my God. Let me see. Let me just give it a try. I can always use this ribbon again anyways. I mean, I could do it again. And it's just the Rae Dunn logo as well. But I want it this way. How do they do it right there? I think they put it in twice. Yeah, they did. They put it in twice, you guys. And then you bring it around. No, I have no idea how they did it. And I took it apart. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. It looks like it could come through here. And then in here. What do you guys think? Yeah, right or no? I don't know. I like how I like asking you guys, and you guys usually comment on your videos. On my videos, I mean. Maybe I need more ribbon. Okay, so it definitely doesn't look the same, so I'm going to figure that out. Give me a minute. Okay, so I think I figured it out, but I want to do it in front of you guys, so you guys see what I did. So in case you guys want to do the same thing, I need you guys to understand it. It's going to go halfway. You're going to bring it around. You see that little loop right there? You're going to put your ribbon through the loop. And you're going to bring it out. You see how it looks like an ornament? Okay? You're going to bring it here. I used more ribbon because I wasn't sure what I needed. You're going to tie it up. Just like you're tying up your shoelaces, whatever. I don't care. You see how it's going to come out? Then you're gonna grab it here. You're gonna make a bowl. Now the bowl has to be really pretty, so make sure you don't have anything flat. Okay, you're gonna let it hang whatever you want. And that's gonna be it. So you still have the bowl, plus you still have the already done tag on there. So it's a win-win. So you guys, what do you think? I'm glad I did it. It looks really cute. Now I can do the other one as well, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that one because it kind of matches right now. You know how I have the red and the red? So the black and the black's kind of gonna match. Okay, so let's keep going. So the next thing I'm gonna add to these beautiful yeah, the next thing I'm gonna add to these beautiful mugs, of course, let me not get sidetracked, sorry. I'm gonna do the Liquid IV. Now I want to add a ton of Liquid IV. I think this is great for a guy's gift so they can stay hydrated. They're always like working and all these things, and I always tell my husband, especially in the winter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually tape it in the back. I always tell my husband to drink water. He is the worst at drinking water in the winter. And I think these little packages give you a little flavor. So you could drink some water just in case you're one of those that you only want to drink coffee in the winter. You need to stay hydrated, you guys. Not just because I'm saying it, but you should want to stay hydrated. So that's already looking really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same in the other. So I'm doing the Liquid IV, and this is the the strawberry kiwi flavor, which is one of the new ones, you guys. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other ones. I'm just trying to give it a little all I'm doing is taping the back so I can add it to the mug. That's it. I'm not doing anything else but taping it, and it's actually looking pretty cute. Okay, the next thing I want to give is some chocolates, because I'm always giving out chocolates. I think chocolate is very important when it comes to Christmas, because you look forward to, you know, you should look forward to a little candy, especially when it's Christmas. I kind of want it to go in. There you go. So a little bit of chocolate, and those goodie bags are in my Amazon storefront as well as my Walmart storefront. And those are the Hershey Nuggets. And let me tell you, they're delicious. Like, they're really good. The next thing I'll be adding are these hand sanitizers, and this is the cucumber mint scent. I thought this would be cute to add on there to give it more of a little Christmas feel. How cute is that? So it is already looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more of the Liquid IV and a couple more of the flavors, so I can add as many as I want in there. I think that's a great gift. There's money in there, there's chocolates, there's a hand sanitizer, and of course there is a cute mug that they both love to drink from. And I'm just gonna go ahead and load it up with a Liquid IV. Liquid IV. And I also have, besides the kiwi, I also have the Liquid IV. And this is the blackberry lemonade. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 of those. I'm going to do 3 of the kiwi and 2 of the blackberry lemonade. And this is the blackberry lemonade. And of course, this is the sugar-free. The strawberry kiwi is sugar-free as well. So they're all sugar-free. And this is the blackberry, and this is how it looks. You see that? It looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the blackberry, because I already have the kiwis. So I'll add 1 and 1. How cool is that going to be? So there you go. You have the cutest little mugs. You have something to give everybody. I'm loving these. These are so cute, you guys. These are really nice mugs, which you can also buy hot cocoa in. I gave money to each, of course. And we're going to see how this comes out. I like them. I think they're so cute. And especially if you're giving it to a guy, you want him to stay hydrated. Especially in the winter. I'm sorry. But in the winter, nobody wants to drink anything but coffee. And your body needs water as well. But I'm loving them. I think these are great ideas. Let me know what you guys think. And I'm going to go ahead and put those in a bag. These bags my friend Chrissy gave me. These are going to go great in there. So I'm going to show you exactly how it looks. Don't think I'm not. I'm going to show you right now just how it looks. So give me a minute. So I'm just going to go ahead. Like I said, I put a little bit of the shred paper in the bag. So this is how I'm going to take them to the Christmas party. Now in this case, I think I'm going to take the shred paper out first and then place them and then add the shred paper. I don't want to just drop them because I feel like they're going to break. Look how cool that's going to look. Now, I don't need to add shred paper in there if I don't have to. If anything, I don't think I'm adding it. I left a little piece in there I want to get rid of. Not everything has to have shred paper. Now, if I want to add more of the Liquid IV energy drinks, I think it'll make it more fuller. What do you guys think? How cute is that? I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. And there you go. Let me know what you guys think. I think these are going to be great little gifts to show up with. If you want, you can go ahead and put the shred paper. You can put a tissue paper at the bottom. You can put anything you want. I'm definitely going to show up like them, like this. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Merry Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Make sure you enter my Christmas giveaway. I will have a bunch of goodies for you. But this is going to be so cute. I can't wait to show up with these little bags and these little mug sets. Let me know what you guys think. And until next time, bye you guys.